You don't have to waste money buying collagen supplements when you can simply make them right in the comfort of your home. So, guys, you know that collagen is that girl we need to stay youthful and maintain the elasticity of our skin. And not only that, we also need it for our bones and the other parts of our body like our joints, our hair, nails, and all that. Okay, and also to achieve a glowing and youthful skin. So guys, to make our collagen gummies, we'll be needing beetroot. Yes, I'm using beetroot. Beetroot is the foundation of this gummy. So I'm just going to peel my beetroot and slice it into little cubes so that I can blend. Yes, I'm going to do that so that I would help my blender. So while I do this, let me tell you the health and beauty benefits of beetroot. Beetroot is a nutrient-rich food vegetable that offers several health and beauty benefits. Now, let me tell you the health benefits. One, it boosts heart health. Okay, so beetroot is high in nitrates, which help widen blood vessels and improve blood flow. This reduces blood pressure and supports cardiovascular health. Secondly, it supports the liver function. It improves stamina and energy. It's rich in antioxidants and it aids digestion. Okay, so for the beauty benefit of beetroot, beetroot helps your skin to glow. The antioxidants and vitamin C in beetroot helps clear blemishes, reduce pigmentation, and give the skin a natural glow. It also has anti-aging properties. Yes, the betalains in beetroot fight oxidative stress, which slows down the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. So it also has a natural detoxifying properties. Yes, it cleans the blood and liver. Beetroot helps to reduce acne, pimples, dullness, and leaving the skin healthy. It promotes healthy hair and it's also used for lip care. Yes, applying beetroot juice on your lips naturally tints them and keeps them soft and moisturized. Okay, so beetroot also improves blood circulation and helps your body to function very, very well. Yes, and by detoxifying your blood and liver, beetroot helps to reduce every skin problems like pimples, dullness, leaving you with that glowy skin. So you can see that beetroot is a very, very, like it's a must have in this collagen boosting gummies, yes, or supplements as you can call it. So guys, I'll go ahead, slice my beetroot into cubes to support my blender because we'll be blending this into very smooth paste. Yes, we're blending this into very, very smooth paste because I would not sieve it. So we are getting everything from this beetroot, the juice, the fiber, every single thing. Yes, we'll be getting that from this beetroot. So let's do that. So guys, I have blended my beetroot into a very smooth paste. So I have some other nutrient packed ingredients I'll be adding into this. But before then, would miss gelatin. Yes, remember we are making gummies, and the reason why we are making gummies is because we want this to be very, very convenient. We could actually make smoothies, juice, and all that with every ingredient I have here, but for it to be very convenient for us, just pick our gummies, eat, and go our way. That is why we are making gummies today. Okay, so for that, we'll be needing gelatin. So in a bowl of hot water, I'll be adding gelatin. Now, bear in mind that if you want to make your gummies to look like the store-bought gummies, you need to add a lot of gelatin to this, and you have to heat your gelatin with your ingredients on heat. But I don't want to heat up anything here. I'm just using hot water to dissolve my gelatin. So make sure your water is very, very hot, okay? So for me, I don't care about the lumps because I would actually be blending this with all the other ingredients. So just dissolve your gelatin depending on the quantity of the gummies you're making. Gelatin is what would bring everything together, and that is not the only thing gelatin would be doing here. Gelatin is packed with collagen. Yes, in fact, gelatin is the main collagen we have here. Okay, so let me quickly tell you the benefit of gelatin. Gelatin supports joint health, improves bone strength, aids digestion, boosts muscular recovery, supports healthy sleep, weight gain, and immune support. Okay, yes, it also helps to glow our skin. Yes, because gelatin promotes collagen production, who keeps skin firm, elastic, and youthful. It also reduces wrinkles and fine lines. It helps you to achieve stronger hair, healthy nails, skin healing, hydration, and all that, guys. Yes, that is what gelatin does. Okay, so next is flaxseed. Yes, I'm adding flaxseed to this. Flaxseed is packed with a lot of health benefits as well. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acid and improves digestion, support weight loss. For our skin, it gives our skin glow because of the omega-3 fatty acid and antioxidants that it has. Okay, so it helps to fight free radicals. It helps to control acne. It also helps with, anti-aging. I also added moringa powder to this. Guys, you know that moringa is packed with vitamin C, and vitamin C helps to boost collagen production in your body. I'm also adding hibiscus flower here, what we call zobo. Okay, so I blended my hibiscus into powder and I am adding this. So note that I am not actually stating any measurements here. So you just add these things as you need them, like as you want them. Okay, depending on how you want them. If you want more of hibiscus, if you want more of moringa or the flaxseed, you do that. So I blended my flaxseed, as you can see there. I actually blended my flaxseed before adding it. So it was a flaxseed powder that I used. Okay, so I'm actually adding more collagen because I checked my paste is very thick and I want this to actually give us that gummy effect. Okay, I want us to have that gummy effect in here. That is why I added more gelatin. So you can actually do this as you want. Remember, every single thing here has health and beauty benefits. Okay, both the gelatin, everything. So whichever one you want, you can add more. So I'll go ahead and blend everything together, and which I have done. Okay, blend everything together, then you can now add our sweetener. So for my sweetener, I'm using honey. Yes, guys, I'm using honey. You can use dates syrup. You can use any other natural sweetener except for sugar, because we want to keep this healthy as possible. Okay, so we don't want sugar in here. So I go ahead, blend everything together, and you can see the beautiful smoothie that we have here. Yes, guys, you can actually take this as smoothie, but for convenience sake, because I can't just finish this at once and I don't want to keep it in the freezer like this. So what I will do is to just place and pour it into molds, and that is ice cube mold. You can use silicone mold and or any beautiful container you have. Okay, so I'll be greasing my ice cube mold with coconut oil so that I can easily get my gummies out of it when it has solidified. Okay, yeah. So I'm just greasing my mold. Yes, you do that. So if you don't have ice cube mold, if you don't have silicone mold, you can use any container of your choice, any container that you know that you can actually get the gummies out from easily. Then you go ahead and grease. You can grease with vegetable oil, you can grease with coconut oil, just any healthy oil of your choice. Okay, so after greasing, I'll go ahead and pour my smoothie right into my mold. So you can see what we have here. So you can actually take this the way it is. But I would be solidifying this, okay? Just wait to see the result of this our gummy. Guys, you will love this. So at this point, I say welcome to my channel. So you can imagine how far I've gone before saying welcome. So guys, you are welcome. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any video I'll be uploading here, because on this channel I give you beauty tips, health tips and all that, how to achieve glowing skin with natural ingredients and how to stay healthy using natural ingredients. I know that is something you will not want to miss, okay? So make sure you're subscribed, turn on your notification bell, and please give this video a like. That will encourage me to do more. So guys, I'll be placing this in the freezer. You can place it just in your fridge, but I'll be placing mine in my freezer so that it can solidify very, very fast. Then I would show you what we have. Okay, this is nutrient packed. This is collagen boosting, the gelatin, the beetroot, moringa, flaxseed, and hibiscus flower, which is also known as, a natural botox. Yes, guys, if you if you know, you know. So guys, let me solidify this and we'll see the results. So after some time in the freezer, this is my gummy. It has solidified. Okay, so guys, note that this is not ice block. Like, it will not block like ice block. No, rather it will have that a gummy texture. Yes, because of the gelatin, it will have that gummy texture. So if you want yours to look like the store-bought gummies, you can add more gelatin and heat it up. That heat up the whole ingredients on a low heat before pouring into your mold. But for me, remember I said I want everything to just be fresh. Okay, so you can see if you have poured yours into a container, this is how you can just cut it into shape that you like, cut it into cubes and all that, and you get it out of the mold, and you're going to store it inside another container or still inside the container you molded it with, and you keep in your refrigerator or your freezer, and you eat this every day. Guys, this is so convenient, this is so tasty, this is good, this is delicious and packed with nutrients, collagen boosting nutrients. Yes, so you can see this is so good. So if you're someone that love um gummies, you can actually make yours at home with natural things that you have. Yes, just follow this process and you'll be getting a very yummy gummy. Children can eat this, everybody can eat this. Yes, so every morning you can just take some and eat, and in the evening you do same. So I'm just going to store this inside my container. I have this container where I store my gummies, so I'm just going to remove everything from the mold and store it inside that container. That is, I just pour everything inside the container and I'll keep it in my freezer. Then every morning I can take a cube or two. In the evening I do same, and it doesn't have to be morning and evening. You can actually take this any time of the day. Yeah, if you feel like snacking on something, just pick your gummy and you eat. Okay, yes, any time of the day, be it morning, afternoon, or evening or night, just you can snack on this and you'll be giving yourself that glowing skin, that firm skin, that healthy skin. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel. Okay, yes, if you haven't done that already, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that when I post a beautiful video like this, you will be notified. Also, share this with your friends, guys. I know you don't want to glow alone. Share this with your friends as well, okay? And yes, for me, this one, I actually prepared this to last me for a week, but for where it's not going to get to a week. 3 days, 4 days, we have finish consuming this, and I'll make another one. So you can keep this you know in your freezer for like a week, depending on the quantity you made, and just take this every day. You can't have overdose of it. You can see that everything we have here is natural, no added sugar, no artificial flavoring, no, everything is natural. Just do this and you enjoy it. So tell me in the comment section, will you be trying this? And I know you would. Yes, because you would love it. Okay. So guys, thank you for watching. I would love to see you in my next video. Remain blessed.